In this video, I will tell how to construct Monopole Simple DC motor. For this purpose, you need strong magnet to provide strong magnetic field, and since this is monopole DC motor, it means one magnet will be used, one pole, either south or north pole will be used, but magnet has to be very strong. And beside the magnet, we need cell. 1.5 volt cell is needed, and besides this we need a cell holder so that we can fit the cell in it. And in order to provide connection with the wire loop and cell, we need two safety pins. We will fix the safety pins with the leads of the cell holder so that the current flows through the cell, through the pins and through the loop, and the current flows smoothly. And in the presence of strong magnetic field, the wire will rotate. So in order to make a loop, we need copper wire, and we will need a reel, and we will construct the loop. And in order to fix the safety pins firmly, we need soldering iron. We will solder the pins with the leads of the cell box or cell holder. Both the pins will be soldered here, and after this we will cut a proper length of the wire, and we will make a loop with several number of turns so that more force acts on the wire and wire loop, and it rotates faster. So these things are ready now. Holder is ready now. My cell holder is ready with the cell fit in it, and I've also soldered two safety pins using soldering iron, and I have made the firm connection so that current flows through the cell and the wire loop. And my wire loop is also ready, and I'm going to just show the wire loop to you. Made the wire with several loops, several turns in it, and I'm going to place it between the two safety pins so that current flows through the cell and through the loop, and more force acts on the wire. Now I am placing the wire loop between the two safety pins, and I observe no rotation because there is a current through the wire, but there is no magnetic field. In order for the force to act on the wire, there has to be magnetic field. So I am going to place the magnet just above the cell. Then I will place the loop in between the two safety pins. Safety pins also provide the path for the current to flow. So this is just going to be ready. Now this loop is placed just above the magnet, and in order to make it rotate, it has to be given a slight push. And one thing more, there should be symmetry in the number of turns on the two sides of this loop. So a slight push has to be given so that starts rotating. I'm just trying and giving a little push in the right direction. That's it. The motor now rotates. Loop is rotating due to the force which acts on the loop. Motor is ready. And now you prepare motor like